The City of Hickory is upgrading their recycling program to a new single-stream recycling. And we're going to be talking about what does that mean to the residents of Hickory. And I'm here with Andrew Ballantyne, our solid waste manager. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Dana. How are you?
Good. So tell us a little bit about what we're looking at right here.
Well, currently what we have here is what our existing program looks like today. We have our 18-gallon blue bin, and of course some plastics, number 1 and number 2, some glass with the lids removed.
So no lids?
No, well, the lids can be recycled, but not on the glass.
Okay.
So they have to be removed. Got some phone books, junk mail, and it's worked really well for the city, and we're really excited about this new program, though.
So tell us a little bit about what the new program is, and we see a lot more that we can recycle, and in our big blue bin that we have over here. Tell us a little bit about each of these items.
Well, we have numerous items that we were not able to recycle from the curb, though they were able to be recycled, but
just not with our current program.
Just not with our current program at the household level.
Okay.
We have many new opportunities. Some of the biggest are our fiberboard containers, our cardboard shipping boxes.
So something like this huge big TV box that people get at home?
We got the big TV here.
But not this, right?
All the styrofoam that's inside the boxes need to be removed. These large boxes need to be cut down and placed into the rollout container. Okay. So that they're not wedged, because if they get wedged in there,
they can't get out.
It's not going to get out.
And the truck behind us is what's actually picking these up from the curb,
exactly.
Right?
It's going to be just like our garbage service with an automated pickup where the arm comes and grabs the can, picks it up. It takes a matter of seconds per house. Okay. Instead of someone grabbing the 18-gallon bin and having to sort into each
That does
container.
sound like a lot less time. Now, while we're on that topic, tell me a little bit. I know there's some stipulations about how they're placed at the curb, so tell me how that works.
Well, we ask for 5 feet in between each container. So we have our single stream rollout right here, and we have our regular garbage rollout, the green rollout. We would like 5 feet in between those, and 5 feet in between anything else that's at the curb. Okay. Like yard waste or like say somebody's getting rid of a sofa, have that off to the side, and that allows the equipment room to grab the can and not knock anything over, not damage the equipment, damage mailboxes, anything like that. We try to avoid.
Sense. So back to some of these items, I see you've got some aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil that's free of any food debris. For instance, we have a hard plastic baby white container here, that's now recyclable. Under that, we have our kitty litter container. So we can get rid of these in this rollout as well. Just remove any metal handles. Okay. Again, with our glass bottles, remove the tops. And
so we can do our normal things that we've been doing, like our plastics and glass and aluminum cans.
Right. We're expanding from number 1 and number 2 plastics all the way to number 7, so 1 through 7, and that obviously, as you see here, opens the door to many more products.
And those are marked on the products, right?
It is marked on the products. Okay. So
if they have any questions, they can look at the product, or they can contact you guys.
They can look at our website. They can contact us.
Where would they contact you to find out more information about this?
They can call Public Services at 323-7500. And
our website, hickorymc.gov, of course.
It's full of information. And of course, the web is full of how-tos. But, each area is specific to their program. So
tell us a little bit, too, about when is this happening? I know we don't have an exact date just yet, but how are they going to know when they're going to begin recycling in single stream?
Well, we're going to, with the rollouts, we're going to be delivering a schedule, and there's going to be a booklet that helps clarify everything we're talking about here, even in a little more detail. And
it'll have a date in there once they get their rollout.
They'll have a date inside that information.
Okay, and now what our current program is every week, right?
Our current program is every week.
But that's changing.
That is changing. We're moving to every other week service.
Now, I know we talked a little bit about the yard waste. That is or is not something that you're going to be putting in this bin?
You do not put yard waste in your bins.
Okay. That's picked up separately.
It is picked up separately. Of course, it is recycled and turned to other products. And we use clear bags.
Okay.
So that way we can differentiate between what's junk or yard
what needs
waste.
to be recycled, what's yard waste, and that yard waste becomes mulch and all those wonderful things that we can use in our city. I mean, I'm proud of what we're doing in recycling. I'm sure you are too.
Oh, yes.
This is exciting. Tell us a little bit about what's the benefit of taking on more recycling and less to the landfill.
Tonnage.
Yeah.
It's going to greatly increase the amount of material that we recycle, and at the same time, we're not having to pay to throw that tonnage away. So instead of what was a cost becomes a benefit to saving the landfill, extending the time of the landfill, how much it can be used, how long it can be used. And our county does a wonderful job. We rank really high in the state of North Carolina. We're very proud of that. And we work closely with the county and, you know, just some other unique products.
Yeah, I see this. Is this a sled?
Yeah. If you break your sled during the winter, just make sure it can be recycled.
As long as it's plastic, right?
That's right. That's right. You know, just some of your plastic toys, and if it can fit in your rollout, it will be recycled.
Okay, I see this plastic baseball bat, so kids that may have one broken or something can recycle it. So there's so much more that can be recycled. I know we're going to have information on our website, of course.
Yes.
Again, Andrew, the number one more time.
323-7500.
Thank you, Andrew. We look forward to single stream recycling.
Thank you, Dana.